Whoa!
Yeah.
Get out!
Yeah.
You guys raised that much?
Yeah, we kind
That's so awesome. Guys, that's incredible. Thank you so much. That is awesome.
pleasure.
Oh,
It's kind of fun to do, you know?
good.
Yeah, and we have this for you.
You guys don't have to give me gifts.
Yeah, actually we do.
But I'll take them.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just wait until the autographs will get crazy.
Surprise.
I get
And it's
really
not a
small
bracelet.
gifts.
It's not a bracelet.
Yeah.
I get so. Oh, I had so much stuff to take back from my Europe trip that I had to get a second suitcase, and I said I paid so much money with the airlines, and I was like, what do I do? Like, I gotta take it back. I still have letters from my Europe trip that are next to my bed that I have to read because I'm trying to get through all
Like
the
your
fan mail.
bedtime story.
Basically.
It's a whole little library in there.
It's like people come over and they're like, what's all that? It's like there's these boxes of letters. I'm like, they're the ones I gotta get through. You know, so I'm
Yes,
still,
we have something else.
this is gonna be another suitcase. Oh, that's cool. It's gonna be on my bed.
Yeah.
My bed's full of like teddy bears and stuff now. If I ever do get a girlfriend, she's not gonna be impressed with me. She's like, are you a man? Yeah.
Teddy.
Shh, don't say that to Teddy. Doesn't like that sort of talk. Thank you, darling.
Voilà, kom
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming out. You guys are wonderful. Thank you.